Hello, YouTubers. All of them fine people out there in YouTube land. What I am doing here is I have an iManifold, and as you can see, I have it on the vacuum. And what I wanted to do is go over with you about connecting other. But look, see this device for some reason won't connect to the iManifold. Look, Bluetooth's on. I've turned it on and I've turned it off. I've done everything for some reason this device is not accepting Bluetooth features, and I don't know why. So I am not going to be able to mess with that device, so we are going to use this one. So that is why I'm using this little one, and we're just going to use this as a cool background. Now, look, I'm disconnected, and we're going to reconnect. Here you go. Now, as you can see, it doesn't read microns. I do not have temperature probes hooked up to the line. They are hooked just on my manifold. So, there's my tool bag. Does anyone know what that is for? Steven, you asked me what I used for a head cam. Let's see if I can do this. All I use is a headlamp, and I just mount my head it right to here. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so can you see that? I just use a headlamp. It's my headlamp strap around it. So what I am doing so what I've done, I have hooked up the beautiful iManifold to my unit. I have pulled the refrigerant into my condenser. I usually leave this hooked up like that. This is normally on there, and this is just twirled up with this. Goes in the side door of my van. Sure, I'm not the only person watching this that keeps it in the side door of their van. So what I have done here, I have a yellow jacket, I have a CPS. These tees are no good. I was going to hook up my blue vac also, but I figured since I am not opening this system to atmospheric air, I really don't care about the vacuum when it's pulling. I have to check. See what the old CPS says. Okay. Now I have a straight air conditioner, and that's my equipment. I'm going to do a system analysis on this, and we will see how my unit is running here shortly. So what I'm about to do is just add some nitrogen. Here we go. I'm only going to bring it up to to about 3 psi, 4 psi. And that's good on the vacuum. That's all I need. Just wanted to show you all that. And all I did was just add nitrogen. So now we're going to let this run for a minute, and we're going to break the charge. Start it up. Okay, what I am about to do, I'm about to start up the unit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to just ever so slightly pressurize the system so I can pull them T's off. That's all I need. So I got 12 psi in the system. So I hope you all just don't want to go in there. Okay. So look, that thing just fell apart. Okay, guys, ladies, gents. So how I've been doing these sensors is I've just been putting them behind here, just like that each time. That's my high side, this is my low side. Guess I should open these valves up first, huh? Before we get too much of this in my way. Actually, I'm going to put them on a little tighter than that tight. Not even any pressure on that thing. Hey, ladies and gents. Cheers to you all. Been sitting out here a little while. It's our daughter's playroom. Kind of moving things around in there. Okay. Well, I wonder if my disconnect's turned off. My breaker's turned off. Might have turned it off. Yeah, it did. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Okay. And I'll get this on 10 degrees of subcooling, and I will come right back to you all.